Hey everyone, welcome back. If your order is missing in the SHEIN app, first you're going to go ahead and refresh the orders page. Go to the SHEIN app, go to My Accounts, and then go to Orders and refresh the SHEIN page by swiping it down from your screen. Then make sure you're logged into the correct account that was used to place the order. Check your email for an order confirmation. Go to your Gmail and then, if you don't see any emails here, click on the three-line option in the top left corner. Then scroll down and go to the trash or spam and check there as well. After that, confirm that the purchase went through by going to the Gmail. Then log out of the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the SHEIN app icon, swipe it completely, then open the app and log back in. If the order still does not appear, wait a few minutes as orders can take time to sync, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.